Hi, and welcome back to our channel where we help you navigate law school. Today, we're going to talk about the IRAC method, a legal analysis framework that's commonly used in law school and legal practice. We'll break down each element of the IRAC method and give you some tips on how to apply it effectively in your law school assignments and exams. First, let's break down what IRAC stands for. It's an acronym for issue, rule, analysis, and conclusion. These four elements form a legal analysis framework that you can use to organize your thoughts and communicate your legal reasoning. Let's start with the first element of IRAC, which is issue. When you're given a legal problem or case to analyze, it's important to identify the issue or issues that need to be addressed. For example, if you're analyzing a case involving a breach of contract, the issue might be whether or not the defendant actually breached the terms of the contract. The next element of IRAC is rule. Once you've identified the issue, you need to research and understand the relevant legal rules or principles that apply to the issue. This might involve reviewing cases, statutes, and legal precedents. Make sure to use credible sources and to cite them properly in your analysis. Next, we have analysis. This is where you apply the legal rule to the issue at hand. It's important to use logical reasoning and to support your arguments with evidence and relevant case law. This involves examining the facts of the case and analyzing how the legal rules apply to those facts. Finally, we have conclusion. This is where you summarize your analysis and state your ultimate conclusion or recommendation. Your conclusion should be clear and concise and should logically follow from your analysis. Remember to use plain language and avoid jargon or legalese. Now that we've gone through each element of the IRAC method, here are some tips to help you apply it effectively in your law school assignments and exams. First, start by reading and understanding the legal problem or case carefully. Make sure to identify all the relevant issues and legal rules. Second, use plain language and avoid jargon or legalese as much as possible. This will make your analysis easier to read and understand. Third, practice, practice, practice. The more you practice applying the IRAC method, the more comfortable and confident you'll become in using it effectively. And that's a wrap. We hope this discussion on the IRAC method has been helpful for you. Remember, the IRAC method is a valuable tool for legal analysis, and mastering it can help you succeed in law school and in your future legal career. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
If you want more, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video.